Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Key.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, Grace Kennedy Group has announced 2 major expansion projects. Find out what they are later in the business day.
And of course, Karen Mann is standing by with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Javon, we have not had a fully executed Boys and Girls Championships in 3 years, from 2019. We're back. It's back. The big product is back. We'll have all the details later.
And I don't know how you guys felt about the rain today. Is there more rain in the forecast? We have Romain with a preview.
We did have quite a bit of rain across the island today, upwards of 70 millimeters in southern parts of Clarendon and near 40 millimeters in the corporate area and some parts of St. Andrew. We'll have more later.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on people who go through great lengths to prank others?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.